TeacherNet, make science easy. This how cars and other forms of vehicles transport us from one place to another. How about the plants? How do they do their transportation? Episode 4, our topic is about mass transport system in plants. Plants have sugar to be transported is called translocation, and water to be transported it's called transpiration. Sugars are produced during photosynthesis. Both sugars and water need to be transported in the different parts of the plants. This is how the water moves from the roots to the stem and leaves of a plant. In humans, the bloods are pumped by the heart and distributed to the different parts of the body. In plants, we have vascular tissues. These vascular tissues are called xylem and phloem. Let's take a look again of the xylem, xylem and phloem. So the two vascular tissues, the xylem and the phloem. Xylem is the one that transport. Xylem is the one that transport the water. Okay, the vascular tissue that transport the water is called the xylem, and the vascular tissue that transport the sugar is called the phloem. So again, what are the two vascular tissues in plants? Xylem and phloem. Very good. Which one transport the water? It's the xylem. Which one transports the sugar and other nutrients? It's called the phloem. Right, let's continue. This is how a xylem and a phloem looks like in a stem and in a root. They are called vascular bundles in the leaf, in the stem, in the roots. Let me go back to it. In the leaf, in the stem, and in the roots. So as you can see, the xylem, the phloem, the xylem, the phloem, the xylem, the phloem. Different parts in a plant, different structure, but they have the same function, which is to transport the water and the sugar. Why do they need this transportation? Let's start with translocation. Translocation are made up of phloem cells connected together to make a phloem tubes. And these phloem cells are made up of pores that makes the cell sap transport the water and the sugar. The pores are gaps. It's a long chain, so it can travel a long direction. The sugar, when they transport it, they can be directly used for energy, or some of them can be stored or kept for later use. The direction of the movement in the phloem cells are up and down. Xylem tubes. Xylem tubes is different from the phloem tubes. Xylem cell doesn't have ends. They are just made up of long, hollow tubes, and they are sometimes called the dead cells. They are only strengthened by what we call as lignin. The xylem cells is used to transport water and mineral from the roots to the stem and to the leaves. Evaporation. What is evaporation? Evaporation is the process of turning liquid into gas. In the case of plants, evaporation is the water that comes out to the leaves in the form of gas. This water that were absorbed by the roots will become chain of water and will be pushed out in the leaves, what we call stomata. Stomata opens at daytime and closes at nighttime. So as one molecule goes out, another one will be pushed out to come out. And this evaporation of water in plants is what we call as transpiration. Say it again, transpiration is the evaporation of water in plants, or transpiration stream, the stream of water coming out from the plants. There are four things that affects the rate of transpiration. They are light intensity, temperature, airflow, and humidity. Light intensity, the brighter the light, more photosynthesis happens. How about during nighttime, where the stomata is closed? So lower rate of transpiration. Remember, stomata closed at nighttime. Temperature, the warmer the temperature, the higher rate of transpiration because the molecules are energetic. So they are more likely to evaporate faster. Airflow. How about the airflow? Let's wait for the molecules to come out. So if they have a lot, there's a lot of air that are passes. These spaces are where the air can pass out. So these are considered the concentration gradient. It can pass, so they are strengthened by it. So that means higher airflow, the faster the rate of transpiration. Higher airflow, the rate of transpiration is also higher or increasing. How about humidity? What is humidity? Humidity is the amount of water vapor in air. There will be a decrease of transpiration if they have the decrease of concentration gradient inside this decrease of water vapor. So that's it. Transport system in plants, transpiration, translocation. Good day.